3? Come on, more. Dad, give me more slimes.
That's 3. It's good enough.
It needs to be a yacht. Come on.
Well, we're going to make lunch. So.
I want it to be a yacht so my fans can see them. Alright, so this is Jiggery slime. If you can read this. Read it. Woohoo! That's cold. What? Daddy!
What?
Look at the slime part.
Weird.
Oh. Jiggle this. Here's my first slime. Dad, what does this say? What does it say? Daddy? Daddy? What does this say?
Glow in the dark slime.
So we're going to make this glow in the dark. So first let's give it some Yite. Right, Dad? We need some Yite to glow up. Right?
Are we done with this water?
Yeah. Alright. Dad, turn the lights off. Turn all the lights off. Turn every light off, Dad. Please.
Alexa, turn the kitchen off.
Even that light, too.
Alexa, turn the fan off.
I don't see it glowing.
Probably needs a little more power.
Okay. Let's make it more glow. Let's give it more power. Right. More power, fans, right? More power, light. Right. Oh, fans! Fans. It is glow in the dark, kind of. So let's make it more light. All of that. Toast it. Toast the slime.
Hey, YouTuber. Grilled cheese?
Yeah. Toast it. Toast the slime. Alright, turn this off. Fans! It's glowing! Kind of. Not glowing.
It is glowing. Look at that.
Fans! I don't know if you can see it, but it's glowing. Let's get more light. So, fans, did you see that? I'll see you. Alright, I'm back. I'm going to turn the light off. And it overdried for a while. So, see, it's glowing, fans. Fans, it's glowing. See? I don't know if you can see it, but it's glowing. Alright. Let's put this slime away. And let's move on to the next. Okay, move on to this next slime. That keep the lights off. I'm okay. Right? So, we'll work on this cool slime. This is from somewhere, but this one's like very... See? So, Dad, I'll show you what's a putty. This is a putty. Look. Putty did this. It's so watery. It's orange and it's like sparkles in it. If you look very closely, this is like little dots in it and sparkles. I don't know if you can see it, but there's sparkles in it. Put it back in here. Blue one. Let's put this orange shiny one. Dump it in. Ooh, this one is kind of explode. It's very watery, just like the other orange one. See, I can't even. Ugh, Dad, you picked 2 watery ones.
I didn't open them up beforehand.
Look.
Well, this is a dead one.
Nope, it's a good one. See? This is watery. Why is it watery?
You probably haven't played with it in a long time.
But I'm gonna add like one of my little toys in this video. video. If you didn't know from the last video, I played with this unicorn going in the pool. See what she does in here. Ooh! Let me see if I can see you guys in my finger. I'm gonna shake, make a hole in it. Okay, I can't. I can kind of see through it. Jump down. Hands are watery. This will be harder to. Told you. So not watery. So the broken half. This looks like a moon. This looks like. So. Let's put this back. I don't know why, but it's watery. We only have 2 more slimes left, but I have more that I'm going to show in different videos. This one is jiggly, see? Come on, come on, come on. Woo! I love this slime. I haven't played since such. Ugh. That's why I didn't play this in a while.
Why?
I gotta rip a piece off.
What's wrong with it?
There's yucky stuff in it.
Like what?
Touch it.
Is it crinkly?
Don't feel it. It's good, but yucky stuff is in it.
Looks like it fell on the floor.
Dad, so don't keep that piece, right?
Into the
trash. This one's yucky, so I'm gonna put it back. It's jiggly, you know. So this next one is, I got this from the aquarium. If you can read this, read it. And if my fans cannot read it, what does it say, Dad?
What are the words? You know any words on there?
No.
Take a look.
I don't know.
That's 3 letters. Let's tap it out.
Dad, just tell me them.
Well, let's tap it out first.
Dad, no! We're in a video. Come on, you gotta tell the fans.
Big Jaws Putty.
So this is from the aquarium. Yeah, like this one. Ooh, yeah. Look how smooth it is in there. Come on. Come on. If you can see my finger, see it. Come on. Come on. Maybe some blacking. Oh, yeah. Dad, this is a putty. See, it's not stretching too far. Oh. Ooh. It's bouncy, right? Fancy, right? I think this is bouncy slime. Like, roll it into a ball. It's like Play-Doh. But it will. Yuck, fans. Over a couple minutes, this ball is going to melt. See, it's like not too flat anymore. It's sticking to me. So I'm going to toss it to a ball again and it's going to let it bounce. Daddy! You got to get this putty.
I didn't expect that.
So over like a yacht minutes, I'm going to do this for that whole long time. Okay, fans, so I'm going to let this melt. It's going to take a while. Here, fans, just let it melt. see it's getting flatter. Fans, right? How flat is it getting? Who wants that jet? Smells my mouth. It smells good. They're just me. Places. May I just... Come, cookies melting. It's melting.
It's melting.
Yeah, it's melting.
What else melts when it gets on water?
Ice. Right?
And the Wicked Witch.
Yep, and the Wicked Witch.
What's that from?
I forget, but I know the movie. I better get some more times. I'm gonna punch it. Right, so there's a confetti, but it's flat. There'd be a confetti drop in there. I'm gonna make kind of confetti. I'm gonna grab your pieces. Grab your pieces. Don't go together. Just go far away. There's a confetti. I'm gonna make confetti out of slime. Look. Look, I'm making confetti. Daddy. Don't care. How crazy is that, fans? I knocked my screen over. Yeah. Ew. Ew. Dump. Dump. Then roll it up into a ball. It's a big piece. I'm going to try and make it fart. Just like the fart slime, you know. Cookie swirl, see? I watched Cookie Swirl. It farted. Daddy, it's farting. Did you hear that?
Mm-hmm.
Just like that fart slime. It's actually not going in. As you see, it's like a cylinder. This was the bad plan that I was doing this. Oh, poison though. Wait, more. Wait, am I actually make it smaller?
All right, YouTuber. I think it's time for lunch.
Yep. In the next video, I'm gonna show you more of my slimes. More than this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We did 5 today. 6, I mean. We did 6, and that's not too many. And sorry, but I'm gonna show you 2 more secret slimes that I like. Dad, can I do 2 more slimes out of those 2? Can I?
Yeah, real quick.
Wait, I'm going to show you 2 quick slimes. One of them is kind of dried up. Okay, I'm going to do dried up one first. They're in bags. They're from not from the video that I made, but I used them. They're kind of hard, as you see. This one's a putty. like a putty. Well, I'm getting a dog and I'm going to record it and I'm going to show you. But where's meeting? Little girl or boy. And it's going to choose us. So make sure to see that video and it's going to be probably very soon. And I'm going to do a stretchy slime. Wait, this is... Oh, there we go. There.
Apple, banana, or strawberries?
Oh, I mean grilled cheese. What?
Banana or strawberries?
Apple. I'm even like playing with slime. Whoa. Oh, hold on. Da. Literally, hold on. Because I'm going to show my fans something.
Alright, let's wash your hands too.
Why?
Oh, you're playing with all these slimes.
It's not, nothing's on my hands.
Slime is.
No, it isn't. This is a burrito. It's a burrito.
It looks pretty good.
Roll it out. Here's a burrito. Fans. I'll see you in the next video. Have fun. Ooh.